How to get Meta Verified on Facebook using your iPhone 8 Plus. Meta Verified is a paid subscription that gives you a verified badge, added account protection, priority customer support, and other exclusive benefits. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone 8 Plus and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to verify. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Accounts Center. Inside Accounts Center, scroll down and tap Meta Verified. If you don't see this option, it may not be available in your country, or your account may not be eligible yet. If the option is available for your account, you will see the subscription page with the available plan. Tap Unlock Benefits. Then, review the subscription offer and tap Claim Your Offer to continue. Verify the purchase using Touch ID or your Apple ID password. A confirmation window from the App Store will appear. Tap Continue. After that, you may be asked to add a payment method. Enter your credit or debit card number, expiry date, and CVV, then confirm your billing address. Once everything is entered, tap Done. Facebook will then process your Meta Verified subscription, and the verified badge will appear on your profile after the process is completed. Keep in mind that Meta Verified is available only for eligible accounts, and you must be at least 18 years old. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching!